stubble burning? Stubble parali burning is the act of setting fire to crop residue to remove them from the field to sow the next crop. In order to plant next winter crop, that is rabi crop, farmers in Haryana and Punjab have to monitor in a very short interval, and if they are late due to short winters these days, they might face considerable losses. Therefore, burning is the cheapest and fastest way to get rid of the stubble. If parali is left in the field, pests like termites may attack the upcoming crop. Causes of stubble burning. Technology. The problem arises due to the use of mechanized harvesting, which leaves several inches of stubble in the fields. Earlier, this excess crop was used by farmers for cooking as hay to keep their animals warm or even as extra insulation for homes. But now the stubble used for such purposes has become outdated. Now, talking about the harmful effects of stubble burning, first, pollution. Open stubble burning emits large amounts of toxic pollutants in the atmosphere which contain harmful gases like methane, carbon monoxide, volatile organic compound, and carcinogenic polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. After the release in the atmosphere, these pollutants dispersed in the surroundings may undergo a physical and chemical transformation and eventually adversely affect human health by causing a thick blanket of smoke. Soil fertility. Burning husk on ground destroys the nutrients in the soil, making it less fertile. Now, another effect of stubble burning is heat penetration. Heat generated by stubble burning penetrates into the soil, leading to the loss of moisture and useful microbes. There is a damage to electrical and electronic equipment from floating threads of conducting waste, and also risk of fire spreading out of control. There are some benefits of stubble burning too, like quickly clears the field and is cheap. It kills weeds including those resistant to herbicide, kills slugs and other pests, reduce nitrogen tie-up. Now, talking about the farmers' concern, farmers are aware about the harmful effects of stubble burning on health and environment, but they do not have economic alternatives so that they can manage the waste effectively. Because of the high cost of available technology, farmers are not inclined to use such sustainable practice. These machines are too costly and the state government should come forward and provide better subsidy so that farmers can afford these machines. Recently, Delhi government had released NASA images of stubble burning. The image clearly demonstrates stubble burning points in Punjab and Haryana along with other areas. Wind pattern forecast and variation in concentration of particulate matter charts are also released. The image and charts are self-explanatory, the Environment Ministry said in a statement. According to the resources, there is no drop in stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana this year. After satellite monitoring, IARI, that is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, which is in New Delhi, says there were 78,291 instances of setting ablaze fields from September 15 to November 30. As we all know, there is a famous saying, whatever the problem, be the part of the solution. Don't just sit around raising questions and pointing out obstacles. So now, discussing about the solution of this problem, the Bangalore-based Nurture Farm sprayed a biodecomposer in the paddy fields of about 25,000 farmers in Punjab and Haryana in October. Other expensive option is to employ farm laborers who will cut the stalk and pile it into bundles. But that is expensive and unaffordable for more than 95% of the farmers. The chemical formula for the decomposers, which is essentially a bioenzyme, was developed by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute in Pusa. Recently, the scientists have developed a biodecomposer technique called Pusa decomposers for converting crop stubble into compost. Delhi and many other North Indian states are covered with smoke during winters due to stubble burning in the neighboring states by the farmers. Pusa decomposers. It is used to curb stubble burning. The decomposers are in the form of capsules made by extracting fungi strains that help the paddy straw to decompose at a much faster rate than usual. The fungi helps to produce the essential enzymes for the degradation process. It involves making a liquid formulation using decomposer capsules and fermenting it over 8 to 10 days and then spraying the mixture on fields with crop stubble to ensure speedy biodecomposition of the stubble. The farmers can prepare 25 liters of liquid mixture with 4 capsules jaggery and chickpea flour. The mixture is sufficient to cover 1 hectare of land. It takes around 20 days for the degradation process to be completed. Under usual circumstances, shredded and watered paddy straw, which is mixed with soil, takes at least 45 days to decompose. It does not give enough time for farmers to prepare fields for the wheat crop on time. Now, talking about the benefits of Pusa decomposers. Firstly, the decomposer improves the fertility and productivity of the soil as the stubble works as manure and compost for the crops and lesser fertilizer consumption is required in future. The soil loses its richness due to the stubble burning and it also destroys the useful bacteria and fungi in the soil apart from causing harm to the environment. But if we use these Pusa decomposers, then it will help us to stop stubble burning as it is an efficient and effective, cheaper, doable and practical technique to stop stubble burning. It is also an eco-friendly and environmentally useful technology and will contribute to achieve Swachh Bharat. Now, there are some in situ ways to handle it. First, straw management system along with harvester. Second, mulcher machine. Third, zero tillage happy seeder machine. Fourth, super seeder machine. Fifth, Pusa decomposer spray. Sixth, mix water and urea with stubble leaves to decompose. There are also ex situ ways to handle it. First, cut the parali, that is stubble, and dispose separately. Second, experimentation phase use stubble for biogas or CNG. The contribution of farm fires to the air pollution in New Delhi varies from 5% to 40%. It is so polluted that it prompted the Supreme Court to sharply rebuke the centre and ordered it to take urgent steps to quell the problem. Taking a serious view on the depleting air quality in the capital, the Supreme Court asks Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to submit a status report or the recommendations of a high-level task force constituted to look into stubble burning in capital's neighbouring state. Central government have also taken initiatives in this regard, like the machines have been purchased from funds allocated under Swachh Bharat Mission by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Centre have also released rupees 491 crore rupees to Punjab, Haryana and UP to tackle stubble burning. I would like to end my video by sharing a famous quote that once in your life you need a doctor, a lawyer, a policeman, a teacher, a preacher, but every day, 3 times a day, you need a farmer. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, so please like, share and don't forget to subscribe, to comment in the comment section below and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.